Good day, everybody. I'm meteorologist Craig Tillison from the Fleetweather Ocean Routing Center in New York State, where current time is 7:42 UTC on today, August 1st, 2022. I'll be looking at the East Pac Tropics and giving you a quick update on what to expect and what's currently going on. Three general areas we're looking at. We're looking from west to east. We have Tropical Depression Georgette, Hurricane Frank, and a newly formed as of 6Z update from NHC, low chance of potential development, 0% chance in the next 48 hours, and then bumping up to a 20% chance in the 3 to 5 day period. So first off, looking at the IR satellite imagery from Hurricane Frank, this is currently a 65 knot hurricane, borderline going to be probably weakening over the next several hours into a tropical storm. As it moves generally off to the northwest, it's going to move into an area of cooler sea surface temperatures and is anticipated to reach or weaken into a depression by 48 hours or by the 3rd of August. Closer look at Hurricane Frank, and we looking at low-level water vapor imagery. We can see a great deal of dry air is beginning to filter in to the western side of the system. And if we look at the mid-level water vapor imagery, we can see that it's really starting to be wrapped in to the south and now getting into the eastern side as well, mainly on the west side still, but overall this is heading into a dry air environment and also highly sheared environment, and that's weakening its inner core. Overall intensity guidance has this system weakening below tropical storm threshold in the next 24 to 36 hours, with only a couple of ensemble members keeping it a tropical storm through the next 2 days. But general idea is that in the next 36 to 48 hours, this will weaken into a depression. Now here's a close-up of the IR satellite imagery from Tropical Depression Georgette, which has actually made a slight comeback overnight with diurnal maximum, giving us a little bit of a rejuvenation and deep convection near its center. However, it's still highly tilted and disorganized in a highly sheared environment, and also moving into a area of drier air. This is anticipated to move north and then bend off to the west and then eventually dip slightly southwest over the next several days. Intensity guidance is there's a little bit more spread here in the data with Tropical Depression Georgette. Overall, it's expected to maintain its strength, with several members bringing it back up to tropical storm strength, but the majority of them keeping it right at a 30 knot tropical depression, and then eventually weakening in the long range. And then lastly, looking at the European ensemble, tropical depression probability, formation probability. This is looking at the 0 to 1 day period, 1 to 2 day period, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. This area south of the Gulf of Tehuantepec is correlated to the NHC guidance here for the low chance, and this is an area that we will be keeping an eye on over the next several days, as there is now up to a 40 to 50% chance of possible tropical depression formation in the 4 to 5 day time frame. If we look at the GFS and look at our Otis product here, we will see that we bring this out in time. We do have a developing area of low-level vorticity and a potential tropical low forms here by August 5th at 0Z, and then we'll push off slowly to the west-northwest, staying fairly weak in that time frame. Once again, I'm Craig Tillison from the Fleetweather Ocean Routing Center in New York. Everybody stay connected and safe.